All right, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stanley Chalk and this is Periodized Strength. And today we're gonna teach you how to jump rope with good form. Let's get right to the video. Okay, so first things first, grab your jump rope. This is a very important tool and it needs to be the right size. So if your jump rope is too long or it's too short, it's gonna make jumping rope with efficiency and being effective while you jump rope very difficult. So a good rule of thumb for this is when you're measuring out your jump rope, you can step on it, probably around the middle of your foot, and then you want the jump rope to be right around your handles, to be right under your armpits, even lower, maybe around nipple height. It's a good place to start because as we're jumping rope, we don't want it to be too long where it's just smacking the ground too much, and then or too short where it's not even touching the ground and it's getting caught up on our feet way more than we want to. If you need to shorten that up or get a new jump rope, might be the time to do that. So a lot of these are adjustable and you can cut them with some wire cutters, and then there is a screw here that you can unscrew and then you can shorten them down. Today we're gonna be using this speed rope that I got here that the gym has to kind of demonstrate what we're doing. So if it was too long, there would be a lot of the rope hitting the ground. Thus, when the rope hits the ground, it'll bounce up, hit my feet again, and then I'll no longer be able to continue to do the jump ropes. If it's too short, now it feels a little bit more awkward and the rope will continually get caught on my feet because it's closer to my feet. And then also, it just feels really awkward because now I have to reach under myself in order to get the rope around. With that being said, first rule of thumb when we're jump roping, we want to make sure that our shoulders are relaxed. So we're gonna put the jump ropes down and we're gonna show you kind of what it looks like from the upper portion view, what the shoulders should look like when jumping rope in general. So if you are a skilled rope skipper, jump roper, jumper, skipper, I don't know, whatever, double dutcher, okay. If you're skilled at the jump rope, single unders, double unders, triple, whatever, if you're skilled at doing it, your shoulders should be really relaxed. The only thing that should be moving really is your wrists and your forearms slightly. So if I were to start jump roping, my shoulders are relaxed, my wrists are turning. It should look kind of like this, okay? I'm giving you a view from all sides to kind of give you an understanding of what it looks like. So shoulders relaxed. We don't want to be tensed up here. And also we don't want our hands to be all the way out like this. We're not trying to fly, okay? We want our arms to relax. We're only jumping. Think about just jumping. Think about hopping. You're just hopping up and down, okay? Very relaxed. A very relaxed activity. In a sense, it needs to be relaxed. Slow is fast. Fast is smooth. It's probably wrong, but you know what I mean. Okay, relaxed shoulders. Wrists are only moving. Now let's look at the bottom portion of our feet to get that portion right. We want to make sure we're hopping on the balls of our feet. So make sure you're on the balls of your feet. You never want to hop with your heels or flat-footed. There's no spring. Make sure you're on the balls of your feet. So if we were to jump rope, this is what I would be like. This is how I would jump rope. And you want to come off the floor very minimally, but just enough so that the rope can clear the feet. All right, now we know how to jump rope properly. Now we're going to do some exercises that will help with getting your jump roping skill down and getting that much closer to mastering the skill of jumping rope. So we're going to go over two types of workouts. The first workout is just a frequency workout. This is something that needs to be done every single day or every other day or as frequently as possible so that you can get the best results, is to just get comfortable with jumping rope. And that is to literally jump rope for 5 minutes. That's it. So a lot of the times what it does is it gives us enough repetitions to slowly get better at the movement. Every single day you'll notice something is off, or you'll notice a problem here or there, or you'll notice something that you can change slightly to improve. The best way to do this is to record yourself and to see what's going on, where can you fix, and you can use this video as a reference against your video. You want to set a timer for 5 minutes, and it doesn't need to be straight for 5 minutes, just 5 minutes in general. And what you want to do is you just want to jump rope. You just want to try to do what I said and be as relaxed as possible. And if you mess up, that's okay, because your timer's still going and you can still continue to jump rope. Okay, does that make sense? You'll kind of find a rhythm and you'll feel like, okay, I feel good. And then maybe at minute 2 you mess up and you hit your feet. And then later on, after you've done your 5-minute workout, you can go back into your video and check, okay, what did I do wrong? Why did I mess up there? It's a little tedious, but I'm telling you, this works the best because you can see your skill in action, and you can consciously make decisions on how to change and improve that. And then the next time you do it, hopefully your jump roping skill gets better and better. And then sooner or later, you'll be able to do 5 minutes straight. And the second workout is a giant set. So if you don't know what a giant set is, it's basically a rep amount that you need to get to by the end of your workout or by the end of your jump rope session. So for example, my giant set or my workout is going to be 500 reps. And I'm going to count till 500 made reps of jumping rope. Until then, I will keep on jumping rope until I've hit 500. If you're struggling to link reps together, that's okay. That's why we have a giant set of 500. The idea, again, is to create this volume and create this frequency of just doing more and more reps. So every day you might do 500 reps, or you might do 1,000 reps. And these might sound like big numbers at first, but you can build up from there. Maybe it's not going to start at 500. Maybe it starts at 100. Okay, today I'm going to do 100 made reps. And then when you're ready to go, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if I mess up at 10, then I keep on going. Okay, I got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so forth. So the idea is to continually improve by just making the reps and counting those reps and repeatedly doing it multiple times over the week, slowly getting better and better at this skill. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video or you want another tutorial like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment your favorite type of activity or exercise that you want to see here done on the channel, and we can do a tutorial about it. And I would love to help anybody who is wanting to help themselves in getting in better shape. So check out all the links, sub, do all those things. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.